What's going up, everybody? Hope everybody's having an awesome day today. So, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to find stocks to day trade, how to find stocks to trade. Now, this program I'm going to be talking about is 100% free, and it's called Findes. Findes is one of the most popular stock scanners out there because stock scanners is really the only and the best way to find stocks to trade. You're not going to be just buying random stocks. You're going to want stocks with some type of volatility. You're going to want stocks with, above volume. You're going to want stocks pretty much just, that are really good. All right. So what you can do here is you just go to Google. Boom. All right. So what you do on Google is you can just look up Findes. Finviz, I believe. Findes. All right. And now you click stock screener. All right, now the page loads up here. Now to the left here we have the top gainers, and then to the left we have the top losers. Now just from this you can get a general idea of what stocks are doing. We had a nice, 59% gapper today on DOTA, which was very good. But how can I make something that is, better than this? Because you don't want to look at this. I want stocks with where I can put in the type of volume I want, the type of relative volume. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to Screener right here up on this menu tab. Once you click that, all of the stocks are going to pop up. So we have around, that 7,529 mark, which that's a lot. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to click all on this, kind of the sub menu tab. Now this is going to be all the descriptive, fundamental, and technical scanner, filters that you can add to it. So you can do the exchange you want, you can do the price. But the best thing that I would do is I would change the price, because you want stocks that are around under 10, just so you can really capitalize on share size. Then you're going to want to go to average volume. You're going to want to go above or over 150K, or over 500,000, excuse me. Now this is pretty much where you get a good idea of what to do. Now you could do change from the open up, just so you can get a general idea. But if you're looking to swing trade, then you want to go under patterns, and you want to go up on channel up or channel up strong. Now those are going to just really find stocks that have that upward potential here. So now we limited it down to 2. We can click on this charts tab to get a good idea of what the stocks are doing. So now we see how this has an upward trend. So pretty much just from this we can get a pretty good idea of how to find stocks. And you can buy the premium package that's real time. I don't. It's $20 a month, which isn't bad, and it's all going to be real time, which is really cool. But this is just going to be, the free version is actually only 20 minutes behind, which is pretty good. So now if you're saying, I don't like something like this, I would rather have something in my program. Well, if you have the TOS or the Thinkorswim up, or an account with them, you can go under the scan tab right here. Now once you click that, you'll get a little couple pop-ups that come up, and you can get a good idea of how to really filter out stocks here. So you want stocks with over 200,000 shares traded. If you want the price in between $1 and $10, now if you want to study the price change from the open is at least 4.5% greater than the 10 bars ago, and this right here will include the after hours session. So if you just click scan, you get a good idea of stocks that are moving, stocks with good volume, stocks that are in your good price range. And now just from here you can get a good idea of how to find some decent stocks to actually day trade and actually trade. Now what I normally do, the setup I use involves pre-market scanners. So you could use this, and anything above 4% is considered one of the gap and go contendants. And then I will actually have to pull up the chart, look at kind of what's going on with it here, because let's see if there's something here. Not here, because this is after trading sessions, but in the morning you'll occasionally get some volume that are at like 1,000 or something ridiculously low, and you just want to make sure you're staying away from them. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's how you find stocks to day trade. You can use stock scanners. There's a couple other things you can use, but stock scanners are definitely the best way to find stocks to trade. But yeah, so that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you're new. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Take care, everyone.